Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. This is weekly video. I have covered gold, silver and crude oil in this video. I have given forecast with upcoming event in this video. So don't forget to press the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please watch full video to get the all support and resistance for next week. Let's get started. This is gold daily chart. Gold tested around 1848 last Thursday. If you are watching my videos and following my videos regularly, you must be knowing that I have given you resistance of 1852 in my intraday's videos. Now let's see what happened to gold last week. This is Friday, Thursday. Wednesday it went from 1812 to test 1843. Tuesday and Monday. Monday market opened around 1817 and finally it tested around 1847. So there was almost $30 gains from Monday's opening, but market didn't sustain the highs and finally settled for moderate 1% gains by Friday closing. Next week we have Federal Reserve press conference and finally we will come to know how much interest rate hike there will be from March, because I don't see any interest rate hike before March. Fed have already cleared that they will first disappear the tapering and then they will start the interest rate hike. It seems that market have already discounted at least 25 bps hike from interest rate, because if you watch US equity chart, you will find that US equity have lost 6.4%, Nasdaq have lost 6.4% in 4 trading session, S&P have lost 5% and Dow Jones have lost nearly 4% in just 4 trading session. So you already can see the effect and the catastrophic effect of interest rate hike in US equity market, and we can see that market have slightly gained from that crash, but it should have gained more. The crash was not small, as I have just said that Nasdaq lost more than 6.4% and S&P around 5%. So there should have been more fire in gold prices, but unfortunately we didn't see that much. But if you see data, if you watch last week data, there were so many positive data which could have hampered the gold rise, but clearly gold was not in a mood to crash, and that was clearly shown by gold that it is not going to crash. If you watch dollar index chart, I will tell you this is gold, this is dollar index chart. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Monday it started 95.14 and finally closed 95.63. So dollar index gained and gold have also gained that much. So you can see dollar index was not impacting the gold strength. And if you watch and if you calculate everything, then you must come to the conclusion that dollar index has restricted the gold price. Dollar index was the reason that gold didn't rise much. It was rising, and then too gold was not going to crash. So next week we'll have to keep an eye on dollar index as well. Last week gold have shown that even though dollar index is rising, it is not going to crash. Why gold was not crashing, I have already suggested in my previous videos. Because of rising inflation, and gold have already anticipated, just like equity market, that there would be incremental interest rate hikes this year. And if Fed started raising interest rate hike too fast, then it could be catastrophic for rising US equity markets, because many US big guns have started borrowing almost at the zero interest rate from banks because of lower interest rate in US. Now they will feel pressure of interest rate hike. So Fed will have to see how fast it's going to raise interest rate. That is the key to determine the gold price future. We will keep an eye on our intraday videos as well, so make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon so you will get Monday to Friday video as well. Now coming back to the chart, finally gold settled at 1835, but it have already gave a close of 1840 once. As you can see, it has already given a close above 1840, which was our resistance last week. So resistance support will be changed this week. Before changing resistance and support, let's quickly find out the next week major event and next week major data. I will highlight only most important data. All timings will be Indian Standard Timing. Monday we have German flash manufacturing and services numbers, US manufacturing and services number Monday. Tuesday we have consumer confidence from US. Wednesday would be crucial because we have Canadian monetary policy that is not very significant, but we have Federal Reserve press conference as well. So keep an eye on that. I will be updating you on videos regarding that. Thursday we have GDP, quarterly GDP from US. This will be very crucial as well. Then we have durable goods and core durable goods, unemployment claims, pending home sales data Thursday. Friday again we have inflation number. This is core PCE. This is basically inflation minus fuel and food prices, and personal spending and personal income numbers Friday as well. Let's come back to the chart. So now gold have finally closed around 1835. Let's have a look at resistance and support. And yes, Hindi version of this video is available on my streaming channel. You can check that out. And MCX levels, weekly MCX levels I have given in community posts. You can check them by clicking the join button. 1784, that is the support in gold price. Now if gold break and close below this support, then expect gold prices to test up to 1750 and 1700. This is a very major support, so keep an eye on that. Resistance at $1880. If gold break and close above this resistance, then expect 1910 and $1950. Currently, as you can see, gold is trading in positive zone, so do not go for sell positionally. Intraday chart, intraday trend could be different, so keep an eye on intraday videos as well. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. Silver outperformed gold last week. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday it started its game around $23. It gained up to $24.70 and finally closed around $24.30. It clearly outperformed the gold despite weak equities. That is the underlying thing. Despite weak equity market, silver literally outperformed gold prices. So this is a very good thing for silver buyers. If you are a silver buyer, then this is very good news for you. Now let's have a look at resistance and support for next week. 2270, that is the major support in silver. If silver break and close below the support, then expect 2190 and 2140. As you can see, 2140 is a very major support. Below 2270, expect 2140, 2150. Resistance at $25.60. Above this resistance, expect $27 and $29 in silver. Currently, both metals, gold and silver, are trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil, clearly in upper channel, clearly in positive zone. If you are regularly watching my video, then you must be knowing that I have been saying crude oil is in positive zone since 2 weeks now. So I hope you are not in sell. At least if you haven't bought, then that is perfectly fine, but I hope you are not in sell. So let's have a look at resistance and support for crude oil. $78.50, that is the major support in crude oil this week. If crude oil break and close below this support, then expect $76 and $72. Resistance at $90.20. Closing above this resistance may trigger much bullish pattern and much more strong buying up to $94 and $96. So keep an eye on $90.20. That is a very big trigger for market. If you are in sell, then please make a strict stop loss, and I would advise you not to go for sell if you are looking for long term thing, because long term chart would change only below $78.50. I usually live stream Monday to Friday 6:45 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. on my streaming channel. Link is in description. You can also avail my paid buy and sell signal by sending me a message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen right now. WhatsApp number is also available in description. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. If you want regular video, please make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you on Monday in my Monday's video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy weekend.